Good morning again, everyone. So today we will discuss about the how the reproductive health affects the human's reproductive system. Okay, obviously we need the nutritional food for our proper growth and development, not only for our body, each and every particular organ, your cell, tissue, all they need the energy and food to perform their works very properly. Okay, so if you do not get the proper food and proper nutrition, so how do you work? Okay, so reproductive health. The physical and mental well-being of the individual is regarded as an individual's health. Obviously, not only mentally, physical and not only physically, mental health also. Not only physically, mental health also affect our body. If you are depressed, if you are stressed, so how could you concentrate on your work? And your mind not only affected, your body is also affected. So many disease also occurs due to our depression, so many illness, so many stresses. Okay, 3G, wait a minute. I'm not sir, I'm ma'am. Wait a minute. Okay, so now physical and mental well-beings better of an individual is regarded as an individual self. To keep the body healthy, every human beings at any stage needs to have a balanced diet. You know that what is balanced diet? All the properties of the food and water and roughage also included in that food, and obviously in the equal proportion. Not only that you get some of the foods too much and some of the food you never take. This is not all the food particles and all types of foods you need in a equal proportion. Okay, so the person must also observe personal hygiene and undertake adequate physical exercises. During adolescence, however, this become even more essential as the body is growing. Obviously, when you start to grow, your body need more food at the age of the older, because there is no different types of when the people getting old. So what happened, their metabolism process also decreases, their body organs also not too many do the activities, so they need not no need to that sufficient amount of the huge amount of food or anything. Okay, so that's why when you growing stage, when you are a teenagers, you need too much food because it is your time of the activity, you are too much activate in that time. Okay, nutritional needs of the adolescence. Adolescence is a stage of rapid growth and development. Obviously, this is the teenage when you start to grow and develop, not only physically, mentally, intellectually, comprehensive, all these sides. Okay, you need to grow very much. Hence, the diet for an adolescent has to be carefully planned. You have already learned what a balanced diet is. You know that what is balanced diet? Recall that a balanced diet means that the meals include proteins, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins in requisite proportions. That is balanced diet. All types of food, carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, minerals, you need in the sufficient amount. And associated with that, the water and the roughage is also needed for your body. Not all food gives you energy and the proteins gives you fats, nothing that. Some of need for your immunity, some need for the energy. Okay, that's why. Prevent from the different types of the disease. Milk is a balanced food in its itself. Fruit is also provide nourishment for infants. Mother's milks provide all the nourishment that they need. Okay, so different types of foods are needed for their growth and development. Milk is a food that is a balanced food. If you take the milk, you can get all types of the foods in the sufficient. That's not mean you only take the milk at that age. You need the rice also, you need the pulses also, you need the roti, all types of fruits, vitamins, all these things. But associated with that, you will take the milk is also you complete your proper diet. Okay. Iron builds blood and iron rich foods such as leafy vegetables. Jaggery, meat, citrus, Indian gooseberry are good for the adolescents. Okay. So if I ask you, give me example of some iron rich food, what is the example? Leafy vegetables, jaggery, meat, citrus, Indian gooseberry. These are gives, gooseberry means amla. Okay. So these types of foods gives you the sufficient amount of the iron in your body. If there is no iron is present, so RBC formation your body is now occurs, and iron gives the red color in the blood. Hemoglobin formation cannot occur. Okay, so this is iron is needed for your body. Check items for lunch and dinner in your meal. Is the meal balanced on nutrition? It's not merely you take food, not only that you only take the fast food, the burger, pizza, not never that type of food. When you take the food that may be lunch, that may be dinner, you will see, yes, obviously there should be carbohydrate, protein, fat must be present. Okay, and some fruit salads also present for the vitamins and minerals also. Okay, you take some rice, you can take one roti, you can take some pulses and some green vegetables and some boiled egg. These types of food is the balanced diet and for healthy for your body. Does it include cereals, energy, and milk, meat, nuts and pulses to provide proteins for the growth? Okay, so these types of items is present or not, you should check. And does it include fats and sugar give the energy? What about fruits and vegetables, which are protective foods? Chips and packed tinned snacks, though very tasty, should never replace regular meals as they do not have the adequate nutritional value. So as in these days, you know that all of us, not only you, we are also sometimes take some fast food also, that packaged food, that teenage food, the chips, cold drinks. These are very harmful for our health. Never take this type of the food. You give your mouth this type of the taste, so that's why you want to hungry for that type of food. When you leave that food and you start to intake your homemade food, your mouth start to hungry for this type of food, not for the fast food. Okay, so obviously from the today you should start a good healthy habit. When you do that for some days, it will be a habit, for good habit for you, and you will take this type of foods and you automatically leave this the fast type of fast food. Okay, make a group of friends, write down the items of food in your breakfast, lunch and dinner had on the previous day. Identify the items responsible for proper growth. Also identify the junk food that you consume the previous day. Obviously you should leave the junk food and you should take the lunch, dinner with the proper balanced food. Good ideas from the pictures given, and there is some pictures, prepare charts and posters and paste them in the class, and you are aware of the diet for the adolescents. You may use your creative idea and present it like an advertisement. You even organize the competition on this topic. Okay, meat, vegetable, milk, fruits, grains, so these are nutritional food items. Personal hygiene, not only intaking food is important, you should make the environment clean, hygiene. So if there is no hygienicity is present in your environment, you easily get affected by different types of the diseases. Okay, so everyone should have a bath at least once every day. Every day you should take a bath. That's maybe winter, that's maybe summer, because our body day by day increase the dead cells also, and there is with your sweating and different types of the pollutions and that present in your environment. When you go outside, so many virus, bacteria is also attached with your. So when you take a proper bath, this should be clean from your body. Okay, It's more necessary for the teenager because increased activity, sweat glands sometimes make the body smelly, and at that stage your body is very much active. Not only body, the associated glands also very much active. So when you're running very fast in your school ground, you know that, but when you doing work very fast, doing exercise, you play, your body is sweating too much, because at this age the sweat gland is become very active. Not only sweat gland, sebaceous gland are also. So that's why you have the acne in your face. Okay, so if you clean day by day your face and body, so you will be prevent this type of affected from your body. All parts of body should be washed and cleaned every day. It cleanliness is not maintained, there is a chance of catching bacterial infection. Girls should take special care of cleanliness during the time of menstrual flow. They should keep track of their menstrual cycle and be prepared for the onset of the menstruation. So everyone should take the proper care to maintain a healthy environment also, and to prevent you from the different types of the diseases. Physical exercise is too much important. Not only the healthy development occurs, mental development is also occurs during the exercise, yoga, this type of things. Okay, walking and playing in the fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. So when you walk and play in the fresh air, the oxygen get inside your body. How much and as many as oxygen you can consume, your blood will be purified, your brain will be sharp. Okay, so you obviously one time at least, maybe in the morning, maybe in the evening, you should walk around your house or in your garden to take some fresh air. All time present in your home and keep yourself inside the room, this is not a healthy habit. All young boys and girls should take walks, exercise and play outdoor games. Myths, taboos, do's or don'ts. What should you do and what should not do? Okay. You have learned here from the chapter 9 that scientific facts that related to human reproduction. There are many wrong notions you should maybe discard as informed adolescents. So we have so many myths are there. So what is this? For example, there are myths and taboos regarding bodily change that adolescents experience. Some of these are given below, and you can now argue with these myths and no facts. A girl become pregnant if she looks at the boys during the menstruation. So there is a very bad myths. The girls may become pregnant when at this time of the menstrual cycle, when they look at the boys. Never. This has happened. No. The mother is responsible for the sex of the child. No, mother never responsible for the sex of the child. I already told you, because mother contains 2 X chromosome, father contains 1 X and Y chromosome. So father is responsible for this to determine the sex of the baby. A girl should not be allowed to work in the kitchen during the menstruation. On so many times there is some myth in the some homes also, that when the menstrual cycle occurs, there may be some bad things may be happened when they enter inside the kitchen room. No, never. They can enter inside the kitchen room. You may come across many other myths and taboos, discard them. Never keep in your mind this type of bad myths. Nothing is happened in these days. Okay, say no to drugs. So if you want to maintain the healthy lifestyle, you obviously say no to drugs and alcoholic substances. Okay, adolescence is a period much activity in the body and mind, because at the adolescents are teenagers. You know that this time you will become very much curious. There is so many things you may become curious about. Obviously experiment, do this type of those things, but never about the drugs and alcohol. Your friends taking that, you also saw that, yes, this is the passion, this is nowadays fashion, so we can take this type of things also. Never do that. Once if you want to start to take this type of things, you never leave that things. And if you want to leave that, this still your body will be harmed about this type of the bad things. Okay, so 1 times or 10 times, both are samely affected your body. Adolescence is a period of much activity in the body and mind, which is the normal part of growing up, so that not feel confused or insecure. So sometimes you know that this is the stage of the adolescence when the first time the beard, mustache is coming, and some changes occurs in your voice, some changes occurs in your body. You maybe feel some insecure, oh, this is too much awkward, what about what the other people think about me. Nothing, this is normal. Obviously not only with you, everyone's, this is happened everyone's, okay? So with everyone, so never sigh about these things. How could you grow if this type of things never occurs in your body? If anybody suggests that you will get relief if you take some drugs, just say no. When anyone insists you take this type of things, that's one time you can take that. Never. And unless prescribed by the doctor, drugs are addictive. If you take them once, you will like taking them again and again. This is very much effective and alcoholic substance. If you one time start to take it continuously, it is again day by day you will increase this type of habit. And if you want to leave that, you never leave that. And if you leave that, never your body will be, the bad effect never leave your body. They still affected after leaving this type of things. Your body is also affected and still affected continuously at the end of the day, that you one time you will take this type of the things, okay? They harm the body in the long run. They ruin the health and happiness, okay? So no one, not only you take this type of things, your friend circle not only avoid you, the society is also start to avoiding you. This is a bad boy, this is a bad girl, he start to take this type of drugs, so avoid that girls. The social, your teenagers friends, the good family, when you present in a society, they start to avoid to converse with you, and they also start to take away their children from you, okay? You must have heard that AIDS, which is caused by a dangerous virus. Obviously AIDS is a effective disease. When you intake this type of the bad things, when you affected by the physically affected by the AIDS affected person, this disease enters in your body. So what is the causing viruses of the AIDS? That is HIV, okay? AIDS occurs by the virus, that is HIV, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. The name of the disease is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and the virus is HIV, human immunovirus. The virus can pass on to a normal person from an affected person by sharing the syringe used by the injected drug. This is, if there is some affected person in a present in your society, you never affected by that the air or water this person present. When you come in contact with this by the blood, that's maybe physically contact, then you affected. So that's why when you go to the salon to cut your beard and hair, obviously bear your own injection syringe, your own new blade, your own razor, okay? So you never affected by this type of, yes, human immunodeficiency virus. The virus can pass on to a normal person from an infected person by sharing syringe used by the injecting drugs. It can also be transmitted to an infant from the infected mother through her milk, okay? So if mother is affected, their milk, when the breastfeeding baby is present, so they also take the mother's milk, they also affected by that. The virus can also be transmitted through the sexual contact with the person of the infected with the HIV. So what is the causing and how the HIV AIDS transmitted from one person to another person? So this is the cause by the using of the injection series, by using of the blood, physically contact from the mother's milk. So this is the cause of these things, okay? Adolescence pregnancy. You might be knowing that in our country the legal age of the marriage is 18 years for the girls and 21 years for the boys, because the premature, if they start if you get married before your age, obviously there are some affect your health, affect your body. That is because teenage mothers are not prepared mentally and physically for the motherhood. Early marriage and motherhood cause health problem in mothers and child. Obviously proper development never occurred. It also crucial employment opportunities for the young woman and may cause mental agony that she is not ready for the responsibilities for the motherhood. Motherhood is not very easy. If the age of the 15 and 16, if anyone get married and they become pregnant, this is not very good. This is not only affected the baby's health, this is also affected the mother health also. They should prepare for that stage, okay? So everyone, This is up to for the today. We will continue the exercise part in my next video. Thank you very much everyone. Bye everyone.